Hey everybody, welcome and thank you for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. So both sidekicks are here. You can see Cena's still holding on to her busy bone like she usually does every morning, and Wyatt gobbled his right up. So for today, I am happy to have a video for you about Lilysilk. So Lilysilk is a fun collaboration that I've been doing for several months now, and they have amazing silk products from bedding to dresses, which this is one of them, as well as blouses and many, many other clothing items. And all of their products are made from 100% pure mulberry silk with non-toxic dyes, which I love. I've had every product I've received so far has been phenomenal. Their pillowcases are awesome. I did do a video on their pillowcases, which I use a silk pillowcase every day because, of course, it's supposed to reduce face wrinkles as well as avoid those split hairs, right? And I have very fine hair. So I have a new item to share with you today, and I am excited to get right to it. I love their boxes. The boxes are so beautiful. Here's the inside before I show you what item I got. But Lilysilk is having a huge sale starting August 8th. So in 2 days, I'll probably get this video posted tomorrow, so one day. And this is like it's their anniversary sale, and it's like better than Black Friday. So everything's going to be on sale. And for today's video, they sent me a blazer. Look how pretty. So this is a traditional menswear style blazer that goes on top of anything and everything, right? I love blazers. They're one of my favorites. This is the fabric is made from polyester, viscose, and it has 4% spandex as well. And the entire inside is all silk. I'm going to unbutton it here and show you. But it is a nice heavy weight, the kind that you would wear for, you could wear as a suit jacket as well. And then the inside is all silk for comfy long day wear, right? But here's the jacket. It has the nice flat pockets. It has a little bit of shoulder pads here to keep form. And then I got it in this very, very pretty gray color since it's, I have black blazers, but this gray I thought was just beautiful for now and for later, so you could wear this all year round. It does have the 2 buttons here in the front. And what do they say about it here? So they give you the silk benefits, helps you sleep better, good for your skin and hair, moisture wicking, and antibacterial. And Lilysilk is a luxury silk brand founded in 2011, so they've been in business for almost 9 years now, and is committed to refining the silk industry. So they use the finest grade 6A mulberry silk at honest pricing. They're certified by the OECA Tech standard. That's where the dyes come in, that they use non-toxic dyes. And then they give their email address, which I will include down below for you. I also have a discount code for you, and this particular blazer is on sale right now for $79.99, I believe is the price. And then I'll be curious to see what it is come August 8th, since everything is supposed to be on sale. So I put on my silk dress I'm going to share with you, and then I'm going to try this on, and then I think we'll do a casual outfit too, and try this blazer with a couple different looks. So for my dressy look, I put on a Lilysilk silk dress, and this one is one that is reversible, so the V can be in the front or the back, as well as the slit. So I think it's a very pretty, versatile dress, very comfortable, ties at the side, and that is what I'm going to pair this blazer with for this first look. So this is a menswear inspired blazer. It is like a suiting jacket. It does have the pockets here. They are sewn shut right now on the front. It has the black buttons, and it's more of a boxier fit, right? So here's what it looks like buttoned. It's a close-up. I'm in the sun here. So it looks like buttons. I don't usually button my blazers, so this is what it would look like. I love the length, so it fits me well. I do use their sizing chart, so for me and their sizing, I wear a small, not an extra small, so this is a small, and it does come right to the end of my shoulders here and fits very well. So here's a close-up of the jacket. Opens, and here's the whole look. I just put on with a pair of heels that were both gray and black. So I'm loving the weight of this. It is a nice sturdy weight, meaning that it feels very substantial, but not heavy, of course. This has been packed for quite some time in the box because I've had this for a little while and haven't had the opportunity to do this video. So you can see there's very little wrinkling to it for something that's been packaged for so long. So this is an awesome blazer. I'm liking it. I like the light gray color too. Do you guys like the light gray? So I'm going to do a casual next. So for my casual look, I went with a tank top and jeans because I just love dressing up a casual outfit with a blazer. It's one of my favorite things, and I'm loving this light gray color. The inside of it is so nice and silky and feels wonderful, very luxurious. So it's nice and comfortable. And then the outside of this fabric is just, I don't know what the right word is, I don't want to say stiff, but it just feels so nice, and that it's going to hold its shape. And hopefully not wrinkle with long-term wear, but like I said, it's been in the box for a long time, and there's barely any wrinkles in it. So I think this really adds to a nice casual outfit. One more look close up. All right, let's do a wrap up. So what do you think? I love a good blazer. There's just something about it that I love wearing them. And come fall, this will come in very handy. Plus I can take it to work or wear it for fun. So online right now, this blazer is $79.99. As I mentioned, there is their big anniversary sale coming on August 8th. So keep that in mind. I do have a coupon for you for an extra 12% off anything on their site. So that would include pillowcases as well, in case you have to nab one of those, which I always have to have a silk pillowcase. But my coupon code, which I will put down below as well, is little BOH for Box of Happy to get 12% off anything. And I will put the links down below to this particular blazer as well to the Lilysilk site. So thanks so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something different. And please consider hitting that like button. I would love it if you'd hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will put all this information down below if you'd like to check it all out. And until next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.